welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tanya and I'm having a bit of cold because of the weather. So this vlog is gonna be about me going from Bangalore. Now
woke up and I'm broke inside again. Said that I was gonna leave, but I'm here again. I'm stuck now. Taking you in this moment, come get close like you all night. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. Keep me up tonight, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs, what you hear every day. Can't get enough.
finally I reached Dehradun and now I have 4 hours. 4 hours and Hyderabad, and I am literally sitting on the floor because there are lots of people waiting there and I cannot talk in front of people. So yeah, I am waiting for my flight and I have still 4 hours to go. So till then I am just passing my time and I am making random reels and everyone is staring at me. But the airport is kind of empty, but the only few people who are there are also staring at me. But yeah, who cares? Because I literally have 4 hours and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for straight 4 hours. So I thought first I thought I had an 8-hour layover and I was like, what am I gonna do? But I got to know right now that it's only 4 hours. So yeah, and I am not able to make reel properly because everyone is staring, but I have to make. So yeah, I'm stuck in between. That's why I'm sitting here in the corner, far away from people. So yeah. I'm just chilling here, and yeah, still 2 more hours to go. I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I don't know what to do now. I don't feel like watching a movie. The amount of flights I saw today. One more Indigo flight is flying.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, playing right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away.